if you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Red Dead Redemption 2, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update your game. Ensure that you have the latest version of Red Dead Redemption 2 installed. Game developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve stability. Check for updates through your gaming platform and install any available updates. Step 2. Check system requirements. Verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Red Dead Redemption 2. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, you may experience crashes. Upgrade your hardware if necessary. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can help resolve crashing issues. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings within the game. High settings can strain your system and lead to crashes. Start with lower settings and gradually increase them to find a balance between performance and visual quality. Step 5. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card and other relevant drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues and crashes. Visit the manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers for your hardware. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate crashing issues in Red Dead Redemption 2. Enjoy your gaming experience.